Truck stop showers. Are you afraid of them? You shouldn't be. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the Love's app, and then we're going to go in and get a shower at a Love's truck stop. And we're going to start right now. Now, before we get going, I'm Tim, and I travel all over this country, and I make content to help fellow travelers that are going around this beautiful country of ours. You can save a little money, do a little bit of maintenance on your vehicles, a little bit of camper tips. I do a lot of different things on this channel. If you like this kind of content and you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you can get notifications. So a lot of people are afraid of truck stop showers, and you don't really need to be in most cases. There are some exceptions, but I'm going to walk you through how to get a shower. We're going to go in, we'll do the shower. I'm going to show you how to use the app and the codes and all that different stuff. And if you stay tuned till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get free showers from Love's forever. But first, before we go in the app, you've got to get ready, because sometimes you won't have any people in front of you, so you have to be ready to go right away. Once you get your code, you only have 10 minutes to get into the shower. So you want to be ready before you go into the app and do all your stuff. So get your bag ready. Got my shower bag here. It's got all my toiletries in there. It's got change of clothes in there, flip-flops, things like that. Everything's in the bag, ready to go for a shower. Okay, so I switched the view a little bit here because I want to show you on the app what's going on. So we're going to fire up the app, Love's app right there. And now that we have it open, we're going to scroll down to showers. You can see that there's 7 showers available out of 9. So they've got 9 showers here and 7 of them are available. What you have to do is you have to click mobile check-in. So you click the mobile check-in. It's going to ask you to log in. Once you get logged in, you're going to get this screen here that says how much it's going to cost. You can see I have free showers. Hang on to the end of the video and I'll show you how to get those also. So if you don't have the free showers, then it's going to ask you how are you going to pay for the shower. So you can click and pay with your credit card. Then you click purchase. So you go down to purchase, bam, bam, and then it takes you to the screen that says check in. So you click check in and it says your shower is ready. Enter your code. So I'm customer number 19. I'm in shower number 1 and my code is 64908 and then the pound sign. So now we're going to go and get our shower. And that's all there is to it. Like I said, you can get free showers at Love's. All you have to do is just watch this video right over here, and it will tell you how you can get free showers forever and free drink refills at any Love's across the country. Thanks for watching, and get out there and find your own path.